Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KLX300 Supermoto. This thing just arrived with only 1,824 miles on the odometer. Beautiful showroom condition. Bike is fuel injected, liquid cooled, ready to make your Supermoto dreams come true. We've got a fender eliminator, adjustable levers. Come on by and make your Supermoto dreams come true for just $39.99. This thing is a steal. It's not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.